Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade BBQ sauce for ribs. Start by gathering 1 cup ketchup, 1/4 cup vinegar, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 2 tablespoon mustard, and spices. Combine ingredients in a saucepan and simmer gently until thickened. Stir frequently to prevent scorching and taste as you go. Cool to room temperature before glazing ribs and store leftovers in a sealed jar in the fridge for up to 1 week. Start by layering flavors: sweet, tangy, salty, and smoky. Use 1/4 cup brown sugar, 2 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 tsp smoked paprika, and a splash of Worcestershire for depth. Simmer gently for 10 to 15 minutes until the sauce thickens and flavors meld. Taste and adjust with more vinegar or sugar to reach the balance you like. Cool slightly before basting ribs to lock in that delicious glaze. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfy through long grill sessions and kitchen chores. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. For best texture, simmer the sauce slowly and skim any foam for a clean finish. If you prefer a silky sauce, blend briefly and strain for a restaurant-style gloss. Always reserve about 1/4 cup of the finished sauce for serving so the ribs stay juicy when plated. Reheat gently before serving to refresh flavors and coat ribs evenly, and store extra sauce in a sealed container in the fridge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.